There are various types of yoga, each with unique benefits and focuses. Here are some of the most popular types. Number 1. Hatha Yoga. This is a general category that includes most yoga styles. It involves breathing, postures and meditation to bring balance to the mind and body. Number 2. Vinyasa Yoga. Known for its fluid movement, Vinyasa Yoga connects breathing with a series of poses. It's often fast-paced and dynamic. Number 3. Ashtanga Yoga. A rigorous style of yoga that follows a specific sequence of postures and is similar to Vinyasa, but with a fixed structure. Number 4. Iyengar Yoga. Focuses on alignment and precision in poses, often using props like belts, blocks and blankets to assist. Number 5. Bikram Yoga, also known as hot yoga. It involves a sequence of 26 poses practiced in a room heated to around 105 degrees for 0.6 degrees. Number 6. Kundalini Yoga combines postures, breathing techniques, chanting, and meditation to awaken energy stored at the base of the spine. Number 7. Restorative Yoga, a relaxing yoga style that uses props to support the body in passive poses, focusing on deep relaxation. Number 8. Yin Yoga. Involves holding poses for longer periods, usually 3 to 5 minutes, to target deep connective tissues and promote flexibility. Number 9. Power Yoga, a more fitness-oriented form of Vinyasa Yoga, emphasizing strength and cardio. Number 10. Jivamukti Yoga integrates physical postures with spiritual teachings, meditation, and chanting. These styles cater to different needs, from physical fitness to mental relaxation, making yoga adaptable to many individuals.